Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gav. So in today's video, we're going to talk about whether or not Tesla is a buy. So let's get right into it. So I have the Webull desktop application open up on my computer here. So we're going to do a little bit of technical analysis and determine whether or not it's a buy or not. Before we begin, I just want to let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor, so take this with a grain of salt. Always make your own investment decisions. So let's get right into it. All right, so this trend lines have drawn here, and the support lines and resistance lines. I've drawn this out many several weeks ago, actually last year. I haven't deleted it because Tesla is actually following the trend lines that I've drawn out last year. For example, this yellow line with this trend line right here, we skyrocketed from 415 post split, and then we went up to roughly around, let's say, 890, like 900. It followed this trend line to the upside, but then we hit a resistance line, and we went back down to this trend line that I've drawn out uh, last year as well. So we bounced from 570 roughly back up to 710, and then we kind of went back up and went back down in a uptrend. And we went down, we broke this support line at around 654 down to 545, right? If you pan this out, there's nothing to the left side. So we followed this support line right here, roughly around 540, let's say, right? And we kind of traded sideways, but a little bit of uptrend. And we actually broke through this uh, resistance line of 692, and we had this uptrend, as you can see here, and then we broke through the all-time high of 900 to the upside, and we went up to 1243 and 49 cents, and we went back down to this trend line right here that I've drawn out, like I said many years ago, or last year, to this support line of 980, and went back up to 1,137 and 6 cents, which we closed out today. So, looking at my graph line, I think the short answer whether Tesla is a buy is yes. If you're a long-term investor, uh, I dollar cost average into Tesla. So when every time I have money I set aside and buy Tesla every month with M1 Finance. If you want to check that video, how much gains I've had in percentages and dollars, it's gonna be up here. Anyways, let's get back to the video. So, uh, whether or not Tesla is a buy, it's up to you. To me, a dollar cost average. Also, if you want to take a look at the trend here, so we went back up to 1,137. Let's just say 1,140. We could see another retraction back to $1,066 in the next several trading days, maybe weeks. Uh, if we do, if we break that, we could see a downside to around, let's say, 970 the next several weeks or even months, and we're gonna trade sideways just like what we did here back in March up to May, and we actually broke the support line and went back to the downside of roughly around 550, and we uh, created the new trend line, and then we broke out to the upside. So overall, we can see a little bit of refraction retraction from Tesla down to around 965. Potentially, we could either go the upside or downside. If we do, we're gonna follow this trend line, the trends over here and over here. If we do, I'm gonna go the lowest that we can go based on this technical analysis that we're looking at right now is roughly 771 at the extreme conditions. If not, we can see a 900 retraction, and from there we will bounce back up to the upside. So, in the extreme case, we'll go back to 900. Uh, if that doesn't happen, we can potentially see 970 or even 1080 based on this trend right here. So, yeah, there's a lot of things going on with Tesla. Again, there's going to be a lot of market factors that affects this stock. Just want to let you guys know Tesla is volatile stock, so invest with your with risk and invest with your own decision. Don't follow my advice. Don't follow everyone's advice. Take time to learn how to do some technical analysis from watching YouTube videos. Don't watch mine because I'm just an amateur. But again, to each their own. To me, I dollar cost average, and if I see a dip in Tesla, I'll buy, right? But again, do your own research, and from there, make your own investment decision because it's gonna be your own money at the end of the day. It's either gonna be your profit or it's gonna be someone else's profit, and you're gonna incur a loss. So overall, to me, Tesla is a buy, but I'm gonna watch until it probably retracts down to 970. If that's the case, I'll buy. If not, I'll probably buy it around $1,000 and dollar cost average from there. But overall, Tesla has been a great stock. It's one of the largest portfolio in my one of the largest stocks in my portfolio. Actually, the largest equity in my investment portfolio. Am I afraid? Yes, but as you can see, if you retract to the weekly uh, graph here, the trend line, you can see Tesla. It just keeps going up. I'm a long-term investor. I'm bullish on Tesla in the many years to come. So I'm not looking to sell in the short term. I'm gonna keep every profit from Tesla. So with that being said, take this investment video with a grain of salt. Always make your own decisions. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.